Rawshot here. We're getting hammered with snow. It is January 23rd, 2016. We are absolutely getting hammered. Look. There might be snow coming at you. That's because it's snowing, of course. Watch. Look at this. This is just one day of snow. What's going to happen next? We don't know. My dad's been working his butt off. It's just bad, man. I mean, look at this. Literally, my dad just plowed all this. And it's back again. I can't believe this. I mean, look. Freaking snow. Okay? Look at that. This is bad, man. I mean, look at this. There's a bunch of snow. You see that? Well, I was just video from Richie Rawshot, just reporting to you about how we got tons of snow in one day. So now we're not used to this type of weather, and the reason why is there's a storm coming. We're in the storm right now, but it's just really bad today. Literally, that's my grandpa's truck. This is to all my YouTube viewers, people at school. Again, don't make fun of this, cause just don't. I am currently just walking